woodpecker. Looks like a woodpecker. 1, 2, 3.
Open mo lang yung hands mo.
Can I open it now?
Dito ka. Yan.
It's time to fly away.
Open mo lang yung hands mo. Go.
Oh,
Ganun mo yung hands mo.
eh,
Open it, your hands.
what if she fell?
Hindi, ganun mo lang.
3. I can't.
Go, open mo lang yung hands mo.
It's time to fly away. Bye!
Ayun.
Where did she go?
Ayun siya, oh, nakadapo. Teka lang. Yun, oh. Ayun.
Can I see?
Teka lang na.
Maybe I hear Billy's voice.
Ayun.